So welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be washing fascias, guttering, garage and windows. The guttering's not that full, but it is a bit messy. I'm hoping to get this from one ladder position. We'll see. So I use this long pole with a bit of old window cleaning brush on the end. Just to be able to do this from one ladder position. Done. Not much in these today. Time for the fascias. And the fascias here have a lot of staining. That's that done. It's a bit of a tough one, that one. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's bitumen coming off the roof, sticking to the fascias. Please feel free to leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.